hope it's stable. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well. So today's video is about how to style leopard print. So as you know, right now leopard print is so in style. It's been maybe a couple of months that I keep seeing it everywhere. It's not something that I wear normally, but because I see it everywhere, so I was like, why not? Let's try to make it work. I normally wear neutral colors or maybe just solid color. Print is not really my style, but I'm up for the challenge and I want to make it work. So this is the top that I like to style today. I got it many years ago, but I have never worn it. I was actually ready to donate it. I saw leopard is in, so I was like, let's try to style it. If it works, I'm gonna keep it. Otherwise, I just have to donate it. As you see, there are many colors in this print. There is black, white, cream, tan. So that makes it kind of easy to pair it with neutral color. So what I'm gonna do is I keep the rest of the outfit pretty solid and just try to make this piece something like a very bold statement, because you cannot really pair pattern with another pattern, or you can, but this is something that I'm not good at it. I can't wear pattern and pattern together. So I'm just thinking to first wear it with maybe black pants and maybe black shoes, see how it goes, and then we think about how to put accessories. So this is how it looks like on me. I actually like the cut. I feel like it's slightly oversized, which makes it easy to tuck it in. I paired it with black pants. These are from Amazon. I got it through a gift collaboration, but I think the price for these pants is pretty affordable. It should be under $30, 30 Canadian dollars. And I love that they have this elastic in the back, so it makes it super comfortable, but when you look at it in the front, it looks pretty like a dress pants. I actually like this look. Let me wear shoes. So I'm gonna wear these shoes. It looks like we're going for an office look. Yeah, I think these shoes and these pants work well for this top. Yeah, I like this look. I feel like you can even wear it to the office, even though it's a very bold pattern, but pairing it with black kind of makes it look a bit conservative. If you want to make it more office appropriate, you can pair it with a black blazer. Let me show you. Yeah, I like it with black blazer. It makes it look more formal and corporate appropriate. But without that, it's also very cute. It could be an office outfit for summer. So the first style I think was a success. It works well with all black outfit. Now let's go for the second style. For the next look, I went with leather shorts. I think it looks really nice with leather. It's so different. This print has feminine vibe in my opinion. So pairing it with leather shorts, which is a bit masculine, it just creates a very nice balance. So I think it works. For shoes, I think I'm gonna go with black strappy sandals. These are the shoes I'm talking about. Okay, I'm obsessed with this look. This is something that I don't normally wear. Leather and leopard print, they are both very bold to me, but pairing them together, it actually works. I think it's a very good outfit to go to bars, restaurants, drinks with your girlfriends. It's that kind of outfit. It's a very like casual but kind of an evening look, so it's perfect for those nights that you want to party. It's a very fun outfit in my opinion. Yeah, I'm really liking it. I think this is actually what I'm gonna wear tonight when I'm going out. This is the close-up if you want to look at it. These shorts are old from Zara, but I think they still have a very similar option. Shoes are also from Zara, but any black strappy shoes would work for this look. And for bags, you can go for a black clutch or maybe a black crossbody bag, whatever that you prefer. For the next look, I went with white skirt. It's actually skirt. It has built-in shorts. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it's missing something. Let's put on shoes and some accessories and then we see how we feel like. For shoes, I'm wearing some beige sandals. I love these sandals. They have block heels. They are super comfortable. I got them many years ago from Michael Kors. I find them super durable. It looks slightly better. I think the sandals make it more balanced right now. Let's put on some accessories. I'm gonna wear these pearl earrings from Linear. I love these earrings. They are so light and they really elevate your outfit. This is how they look like. If you want to get more details about these earrings, I actually created a video and posted 2 weeks ago. You can have a look. I'm gonna put it up here. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I think the outfit is coming together. Of course, you gotta ignore my microphone, but it looks better now. One more thing, I'm thinking to wear a white blazer with this look. I'm actually just gonna pop it over my shoulders. I love how easy it is to style this print. It actually works well with a lot of colors. This look is perfect for Sunday brunch or going to see your family or in-laws. It's a bit formal, but not too much, and it's not really office appropriate. I feel like the shorts are a bit too short for corporate. Maybe a formal gathering. This is the type of outfit that I would wear. I think even the third look was a success. I'm actually surprised. This has been so much easier than what I pictured it in my head. Now I regret why I have never worn this pattern. And here is the last style. I'm wearing beige pants from Uniqlo. I love these pants. They are super comfortable. The fit is just perfect. It really hugs my body in the best way. And for shoes, I think I'm gonna go with cream shoes. So these are the shoes I have in mind. I think this is my favorite style out of all of them. Let me know which one is yours. I would like to hear your opinion, and let me know if I did a good job or how I can improve each of them. And also let me know if you would wear this pattern this summer. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you watched till the end, I love you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And this was a very fun video for me. This is something that I have never done. I have never done pattern in any of my videos because it's really outside my comfort zone. But I actually really enjoyed it, and I think I'm gonna incorporate these type of videos on my YouTube channel. Maybe a fun pattern, a fun color, and like really challenge myself to see how I can improve my style. I'm quite getting bored out of wearing neutral colors all the time. I love it, but sometimes it just gets really boring, especially in summer when you see everyone wearing bold colors, bold patterns. I feel like I'm missing out, so I'm trying to improve myself in that department. So yeah, if you like this video, please stick around, subscribe to my channel if you like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.